In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the search engine used in the address bar of Google Chrome. This is a simple yet powerful way to customize your browsing experience, allowing you to choose the search engine you like most or find most effective. Whether you're looking to switch back to Google, try out Bing, DuckDuckGo, Yahoo, or any other search engine, I'm here to guide you through it step by step. Let's start by opening up your Google Chrome browser. Once you've got Chrome open, look over to the top right corner of your browser window. You'll spot a small icon that looks like 3 vertical dots. This menu icon is your gateway to accessing a variety of Chrome settings, so go ahead and click on it. When you click on the 3-dot menu, you'll see a drop-down list appear. From this list, look for the option labeled Settings and select it. Clicking on Settings will take you to a new page that reveals all sorts of options to configure and personalize your browsing environment. Once you're in the Settings pane, take a look at the sidebar on the left side of your screen. You'll want to find and click on the option labeled Search Engine. This is where you can control everything related to search engines in Chrome. Scroll back up and click the Submit for Review button. Inside the Search Engine section, there's an important choice to be made. See where it says Search Engine used in the address bar? Right next to that, there's a drop-down menu. Go ahead and click on this drop-down menu, and it will display a list of available search engines. Each browser comes with a few built-in options that you can switch between, but you might also have others added from the websites you frequently visit. Now, with the drop-down menu open, you can choose your preferred search engine. You might see familiar names like Google, Bing, DuckDuckGo, or Yahoo. Simply click on the search engine you want to use. Once you've made a selection, the browser will automatically set it as your default search engine right away. And that's it. By following these steps, the search engine you selected will be the one used every time you enter a search query directly into the address bar. This straightforward tweak can significantly enhance your browsing efficiency and personal comfort by aligning Chrome with your search preferences. Thank you for watching and following along with this process. Remember, if you ever feel like trying another search engine or switching back, you can always repeat these steps. It's all about finding what works best for you. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more useful tech tips. Until next time, happy browsing.